The essential understanding for this lesson is good math thinkers know what the problem is about. They have a plan to solve it. They keep trying if they get stuck. Previously, students used picture graphs and tally charts to solve problems in which they compared data or found a part or a whole amount. In this lesson, students solve more complex problems using picture graphs and tally charts. This problem is key because it requires students to make sense of the problem, develop a plan to solve it, and keep trying if they have difficulty. Listen and look for students who change more votes than necessary. Some students may simply move the group of 5 votes from markers to pencils. Pencils now have the most votes. However, pencils could still have the most votes if fewer students change their votes. Encourage students to find the least number of students who would have to change their vote to give pencils the most votes. Use connecting cubes to model changing votes. Start with the original votes, 3 votes for pens, 7 votes for markers, and 2 votes for pencils. To model changing votes from markers to pencils, ask students to move 1 cube at a time from the markers column to the pencils column. Have them stop changing votes as soon as pencils have more cubes, or votes, than the other objects. The number of cubes they moved is equal to the number of students who need to change their vote to make pencils the favorite. Listen and look for other students who make sense of the problem, have a plan, and successfully use it to solve the problem. They understand that they need to change votes from markers to pencils until pencils have the most votes. They decide to start by drawing tally marks for the original votes. Then they will change votes, one at a time, counting the votes they change. Because it will be hard to show taking votes away from a group of 5 tally marks, they draw the tally marks for markers without grouping them. Now they change the votes. 1 vote change, 2 vote changes, 3 vote changes. Now pencils has the most votes. They changed 3 votes, so 3 students need to change their votes to pencils to make pencils the favorite. Students who make sense of problems, develop plans to solve them, and persevere through the process are developing the thinking habits that good math problem solvers need to have.